Hello, my name is Auste from Hegelmann Special Transporte. We offer high-quality services for granulated bulk goods. We transport a lot of polymers, including polyamide, various resins. We also provide transportations for other goods, such as cement, kaolin. We have Good Manufacturing Practice Certificate, GMP+, which also allows us to broaden our spectrum of services and also to transport various feed additives such as amino acids, grains, and other. Our fleet consists of 60 cubic meters silos, which are brand new, and all of them can load up to 25 tons and ready to fulfill all your needs. We're already working with biggest companies in Europe and are always open to discuss more possibilities, and hopefully you can be our next partner too. If you have any inquiries, do not hesitate to contact us at any time.